Welcome. My name is Eddie. I'm a marketing consultant, and this is a picture of me and my two little precious ones. This will give you a sense that you're talking to a real person, a business owner like yourself. Anyway, I would like to discuss 12 things that your business website should be doing to dominate the search engines like Google. Number one, is your website mobile friendly? Google prefers sites that pass their mobile friendly test since it provides a better overall experience for their search engine users. Now, most important, did you know that the amount of searches done by mobile devices have surpassed the ones done by desktop computers? It's just amazing. So please pause this video and head over to www.google.com webmasters tools mobile friendly run the test on your own website and see if you pass or fail this test. Number two, does your site load quickly? Google prefers faster loading sites for the same reason as the previous slide. A slow website loading speeds upset Google search engine users. So please again, pause the video and check your load speeds here. Go to https://developers.google.com /speed pages speed insights. Google works on a traffic light system, and let's hope your scores will be green. Now, number three, are you listed in the top 100 local business directories like Yelp, and Merchant Circle? Google loves websites that are listed in many of the top local business directories for two reasons. Reason number one, a business that has taken the time to list themselves appears to be a legitimate business that will be around for the long haul. Reason number two, these directories can send traffic to your site, and Google looks at referral traffic when determining rankings. Number four, are you set up on Google+, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube? Google loves websites that are listed in these top social networking sites. Again, there are two reasons. Reason number one, a business that has taken the time to list themselves appears to be more brand aware, and Google loves brands. Reason number two, these social platforms can send traffic to your site. As already mentioned, Google looks at referral traffic when determining rankings. Now, an added benefit of being listed on these social networking sites is that it makes your business much easier to be shared and recommended among your customers and friends. Number five, are you aware of what your competition is doing to rank online? Knowing what your competition is doing online, the money they are spending, the keywords they are targeting, the amount of effort they are taking can be tracked with online tools to come up with a strategic plan to outrank your competitors. One of the tools is called SEMrush, SCMRUSH.com. By the way, you can head over to this site right now if you like, pause this video, and you can sign up for a free account. Do your own homework and you'll see the type of data that you will get. Anyway, this is one of the tools that will give you great insights to achieve your online goals. Just imagine to be able to know what keywords can bring you more leads and potentially make you more profits. What would that do for your business? So head over to, there right now and compare your website to the sites of those you consider your competition. You will thank me for it. Now, is your website optimized properly? Figure out the keywords, words that people search, you would like to show up for in Google. Head to Google and do a search for those keywords and look at the top 10 positions. The blue text above is listing is called title tag. Count how many of the top 10 have the keyword you just searched in the title tag. Check your website now. Do you have your keywords in the title tag? There are a number of these on-page SEO factors that Google loves websites to have. The title tag is considered one of the most important. Read up on the heading tags, meta tags, keyword density for additional help. Is your content information easily found? Is your telephone number in a prominent position on the page? People don't like searching or scrolling to find ways to get in touch with you. Make sure your telephone number is clearly visible at the top of the page. That is in a font size that is easy to read and the color that makes it stand out in an obvious way. Make sure you have a contact us page with the company's name, address, telephone number, and social links. Now, do you have a video embedded on your website? Visitors watch videos, it's just a fact. Having a video on your website will keep your visitors on your pages longer. Google uses a length of time on page to work out how good your website is compared to others. Now, having a demo of a product or your service, a welcome message from the owner, or an explainer style video of your services will keep people from leaving your website too quickly. Number 9, are you listed on free ad sites like Craigslist? These sites like Craigslist, free ads, have lots of visitors that are searching for local providers. Be sure to list your service on those sites. The traffic these sites can send is very beneficial in terms of new business, new referral traffic, which we know Google loves. Number 10, do you have an About Us page? Introduce your business properly to your visitors with a well-written page that builds rapport and will hopefully convert your visitors into a paying customer. Now think of your About Us page as a speeding dating with your visitors. You only have a few moments to win them over and turn them from a browser into someone that wants to utilize your product or services. Number 11, are you showing testimonials on your website? Think back to the last time you bought a pair of shoes or researched the next book you wanted to read. Where do you start first? If you're like any other customer, it probably began with customer reviews. Having testimonials or reviews on your website will improve your business chances of making a sale and will also keep visitors on your website for longer as they read or watch them. Remember, having visitors stick around longer helps because time spent on your website is a Google ranking factor. And number 12, do other websites link to yours? This is really important when it comes to SEO. If another website links to your website, it is the equivalent of receiving a thumbs up vote. Now, Google likes websites with links because the link building side of SEO is considered a popularity contest. Not all links are considered equal. Some are considered helpful while others are considered damaging. You can use one of these tools. It's called go to www.ahrefs.com to check your link profile. Do you have a lot of links? Hardly any or not at all? Let me just give you a tip. Check out your competitors' link profiles to see where the links are coming from. Building links on the same type of websites that they have links from is advantageous for your rankings. And that's it. Now, I would like to discuss this part of marketing that it's hardly ever talked about by any marketing company. I haven't heard any single company talk about this. Now, let me just tell you this, that at Coral Springs Consulting, we're not only experts when it comes to marketing techniques like SEO, but we're also experts on creating specific marketing messages that get your visitors' attention and increases the likelihood of them becoming clients by changing your website's content. If it sounds like a hype, go ahead and call up as many SEO companies that you want and get a quote from them. Check out all the prices and ask them about their guarantees. In other words, do they guarantee first page placement on Google? But then ask this killer question: how can you help me ensure that prospects will choose my business instead of the other businesses on page 1? The answer is very simple: they can't. Then ask them this: can you create content for my website to help me ensure that my prospects do business with me and not with my competitors? Or do they just get my business to show up on the first page of Google? Feel free to check it out for yourself. What you will find is that no SEO company is suffering true and effective creation of your strategic marketing content, but we do. That's the good news. So if you want to inquire about us, just give us a call. I'd be more than happy to send you a link to a video that talks specifically about how the content of your website should be done. Now, if you have noticed, your website probably hasn't made the grade based on the previous slides or the information that I just shared with you, but don't worry. We can help you fix any or all these issues unless you want to do it yourself, of course, which is not a problem also. Anyway, ranking sites or clients on the first page of Google, this is what we do day in and day out, and the methods that we use have been tried and tested. So if you'd like us to help you, call us today at 954-210-7272 or send us an email to lhmarketing@att.net, or you can visit us at our website at www.coralspringsSEO.org. Now, why trust us? First of all, because we are ranked number one. We are the number one ranked SEO company in Coral Springs, Florida. We have maintained these rankings on Google, Bing, and Yahoo, the three major search engines. So go and check it out for yourself. We practice what we preach. Now we have a team that has over 10 years of experience combined. We have a lot of happy client testimonials on our website. We stay up to date on all the latest Google algorithm changes. We invest heavily in our own online marketing training to make sure that we stay ahead of the curve. So we will help you dominate your market. You rest assured. So if you want to get more traffic, more calls, more conversions, and ultimately more profits, please give me a call. Anyway, this has been Eddie Robles. I'm a marketing consultant again, and I thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.